Today, we'll show you how Onyx BMS can help your body shop achieve consistency, visibility, and automation at every end of the business. From head office to the shop floor, no matter how many sites you're operating. The vehicle repair market is fast moving, and now more than ever, body shops need core systems that go beyond job allocation. Onyx helps you to achieve data-driven efficiency strategies fueled by real-time insight. So, let's dive in. Here we have your main dashboard, giving you an operational overview across all of your locations. You can switch between your different sites, or you can select them all together for a network-wide view. This is also fully configurable to your own requirements with a range of built-in widgets available to choose from and to add to the dashboard. This means you're always equipped with real-time performance insights that you and your work providers can confidently rely on. Managing job offers across multiple sites can be challenging and often disjointed with the current systems on the market. With Onyx, our centralized job management dashboard gives you a real-time overview of every job and its requirements. Heading down onto the left, we can see the job offers tab. We can see any job offers that are currently within the system. You can review key details such as the customer and vehicle information, the vehicle's location, as well as any damage information and images taken, which would appear here if you had some in the system. So you can also see how long the job offer has been waiting in order to ensure you're meeting your SLAs on job acceptance. Once reviewed, the job can be accepted with a click, instantly moving it into the live job queue for the appropriate site, ready for assessment and scheduling to take place. Onyx integrates directly with industry-standard estimating platforms like GT Motive and Aldatex, allowing you to link assessments to the job directly in Onyx. So by heading to the Jobs tab, we can look at the job record and open up the estimate within BMS, eliminating the need for multiple systems or manual data entry. So now that we're in the job list, we can scroll down to find the job that we want to look at. We can select the job. Here we can see all of the details within the job. If we head over to the right-hand side and click the car icon, we can select the assessment that we want to look at and we can press link. Here we can see that the assessment number has been linked. Okay, so now we need to take this assessment and create a repair order in Onyx. So if we head over to the link icon on the side, which is these two arrows, we can now see the assessment. If we look down through this, we can see all of the different aspects required for the repair and the estimated time involved in that work. Now, if we scroll down all the way to the bottom, let's assume in this repair that we do want to take out all of the work that is suggested. We can copy all lines. They're now copied over into the repair. And then if we press save, from here, all key repair data, including task durations, disciplines, required parts, and repair methods are automatically pulled through, ensuring seamless repair planning and progression from the start. Sourcing the right parts at the right time is one of the biggest challenges for any body shop. Back orders, stock shortages, and supply chain delays can bring repairs to a standstill, driving up cycle times and stretching workshop capacity. Onyx BMS takes the complexity out of parts procurement by connecting directly with suppliers via API and consolidating everything into one centralized view. So if we head over to the parts tab, we can see our job and create new order. Here you can access a full list of required parts and view live supplier availability, pricing, turnaround times, and backorder statuses, all in one place. For businesses running multiple sites, Onyx provides a network-wide view of parts stock, allowing you to utilize your existing inventory as a first port of call, reducing waste, unnecessary costs, and procurement delays. So once a job is in the workshop, it's time to get work started and technicians assigned. The Onyx Task Tracker gives workshop controllers a real-time overview of every ongoing repair, across every location and on any device. So if we head to the Task Tracker tab, we can see all the jobs you have in progress and their current status. So over here, we can see that this job has a courtesy car as it's highlighted in blue. And we can also see from the orange hand that the job is currently on hold. Looking further into that, we can also see from the parts tab, all the parts have been ordered, so we're just waiting for those to be received. If we look over on this side, for this job, we can see all the different technicians that are assigned to different parts of the job. If they have a tick underneath, we can see the job's been completed. If there are 2 blue arrows, we can see that the job is currently in progress. So to assign a technician to a step, we can first press one of the orange circles, and then we can assign the technician that we'd like to undertake the work based on their current availability. Once the technician's been assigned, we'll then see a red clock appear underneath them. This is notifying us that they've not yet accepted the job. Once they do, it will turn into 2 blue arrows, indicating the job is now ongoing. If the technician identifies any additional damage or missing parts, they can flag this instantly using the built-in messaging tool, keeping everything logged in one place and notifying managers instantly. I can now read the message by clicking on the Messages tab, allowing me to review the issue, to update the job, or liaise with the work provider. Before the technician can mark the task as complete, they are taken through a compliance checklist and asked to upload any images to support consistency and ease of audit. So once the task is completed, Onyx updates the workflow automatically, progressing the repair to the next stage without the need for manual input. Onyx was built to transform body shop management, reducing admin, streamlining repairs, and ensuring full visibility across every location. Switching BMS doesn't have to be complicated. Our implementation consultants handle the entire transition, from setup and data migration to hands-on training for your team. With dedicated support, tailored onboarding, and no install required, there's no downtime, no disruption, just a seamless switch to a smarter, more connected way of working. Join the industry-leading body shops already using Onyx to centralize their operations, streamline core processes, and drive profitability for your business.